Oh, the police got him. Police got him. Roll the window down. Pulled him over.
No more pretending. See it, and if I want it, you know I'ma get it. Cause I'm a hustler, stay on my grind to go get it. Fuck with a nigga saying I ain't fearing no nigga. These lanes be talking, but it be behind my back. Scared to say it to my face, cause they know how I react. Keep a lot of straps so we could throw them hands, you won't do that. So why you talking behind my back? Like you on a strap? Nigga, this ain't no rap. This here is real shit. Got these pussy niggas mad, all up in they feelings. But me, I'm posted up. Got these hoes like I feel them. El wanna dime, Polo Nino, yes, I'm him.
For the day, I hope you enjoyed. YouTube, what's going on? It's another video brought to you by Big Less ENT. Today should be not a long video. Keep all of y'all happy who don't like long videos. Any case, it's another beautiful day. It's like 80 degrees outside, man. It's wonderful out here. And it's sometimes, you know, on beautiful days, don't they just make you feel blessed to be alive? Like you could be dead, you could be in jail, you could be out here really fucked up. A lot of people don't sit back and think to appreciate the position they in, the life they in, even if you just alive. Everything else can be fucked up, but you breathing. That's a blessing, because there's a lot of people that ain't in that situation, right? So take advantage of the day. Try to conquer the day. That's all you really can do. Work towards your goals. Try to be the best version of you that you can be. That's what you can do. Focus on what you can do, not all the things that you can't do. And eventually, the things that you can't do right now, if you keep doing what you can do, will eventually turn into things that you have done. Now that's a deep message for you right there. Dissect that for a minute. But we're going to go ahead and get started with this video. This is just a short intro. About to head out. As you know, I finally got my wheels back, which I'm going to show you. I have them in the in my truck. This one's still looking good. I washed it up yesterday. Need a little touch-up wipe down, but still looking good. See, I still got them covered. Look at that, man. Woo! I'm telling you. The more I look at them, the more excited I get, man. These are going to be fucking nice. Super nice. Is that another mishap spot? These are going to be super nice, people. So I got big excitement and looking forward to getting this done, or getting these done, or not getting them done, but getting them on my vehicle. So we're going to cover that back up. In any case, for now, I'm just going to go drop them off at one shop, go to the other shop, see what's up, holler at them, get some type of timeline, and we might get into a little bit of Rover talk today. I know y'all been waiting on that. So I'll get with y'all in a minute. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day. I didn't get a chance to have too much going on yesterday, but I am going to get out and about today. I have to go see about this last rim, see if they done with it, so I can go ahead and drop it off and take it to the other shop. And that's what I'm on my way to do now. These rims out the way. It's a nice cloudy day out. Weather is pretty good. It's in the 70s and it's cloudy, so the weather is really good for my drop top, to be honest with you. But with these gas prices going up, man, that drop top Camaro take premium gas, so that mug can stay parked. I put mid-grade in my Rover, so and I get a little bit more gas. As crazy as it is, I get more gas mileage in my Range Rover than I do my car. I guess it's not crazy because it's a sports car. You're gonna drive it like a sports car, right? I don't have to go that far, and I'm mashing everywhere. Fucking lead footing everywhere, being looked up, and a quarter tank of gas went out, and I only went about 15, 20 miles. Something crazy. But in any case, That's what I got going on today. But today is a good day because I'm gonna give y'all some Rover talk. As always, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel, and share the videos. I'm getting back on being a little bit more consistent. I've been getting down on that 2K, and I've been playing so much. I got the other guys on 2K calling me Unc. Like I tell them, hey, Uncle, come dunk on you. Quit playing with me, right? In any case, this Rover talk, I just wanted to kind of speak on, I guess, what's going on in the world. This whole Ukraine war that the Russians is doing. I heard on the news today, like look what Congress is trying to pass, right? Now they haven't said anything about is America actually going over there to war with them, but they are talking about sending them $10 billion. $10 billion in what they consider humanitarian aid. I mean, I was flabbergasted when I heard that. They're going to send $10 million to Ukraine. How you even know if that's going to go for humanitarian aid or not? You know what I'm saying? You could be sending them that money that's just like you sending them that money, and it can be viewed as you sending them money supporting their part of the war. They can be using that money to fund more weapons, more ammo, whatever more that they need. Unless you're sending it to an organization that's going over there and helping people, then that's different. Because I'm pretty sure there's plenty of Americans, probably doctors or something like that, or however they need help, food. There's plenty of organizations that you can say, American organizations, that you can say, okay, we'll give you this money if you go over there and help them. Feed them, help them get out. In my opinion, they all should be getting out the city anywhere, the state anyway, if they just fighting full-blown war, right? Why are they even still there? Unless you fighting, you shouldn't be there. But yeah, the government said we're gonna get them. They want to get them $10 billion, which is insane, and they saying for humanitarian aid. And like I said, I would like to know what exact humanitarian aid is that going to? Right? We all taxpayers. They should be able to answer those questions. What organization are you sending this $10 billion check to? That is what I would like to know, and I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all would like to know too. Now, it look crazy. We see all the madness on TV. Not sure of anyone's intentions or why they're doing what they're doing. But America can use that $10 billion right now. And it's just sending money, you know, going to help significantly. I mean, $10 billion is a lot of money. You know, what I would like to know, when Katrina hit, did the government give Katrina or that state of Louisiana $10 billion? Hell, did they give them $1 billion? $2 billion? You know, sometimes it never ceases to amaze me how America be so quick to write huge checks to other countries when they got people here suffering. I'll check this car out. This car is on big boys. Just working, you know.
Same shit.
Man, shit don't change.
Yeah.
Trying to enjoy life. Get my channel up. Shit like that. What's going on? I'm back. I didn't get a chance to do too much today. I I went to the shop, it wasn't ready, so I just ended up pulling off. But I did get a chance to go shopping. I just wanted to show y'all right quick what I actually ended up getting from Dillard's, which wasn't too much. I went there because I wanted a new pair of pants, so I got these. I really wanted some black pants, but these are kind of dope. You can see them. Some nice Rock Revival jeans. I already have a shirt that kind of matched these pants. And I got a little shirt from there too. I'm not 100% on the shirt yet, but I think it'll look dope with the, these actually go good with the pants I actually have on. See, there's nothing on the back, just basic, nice summertime t-shirt or whatever, or cool weather t-shirt, which the weather always good down here. So, about to head off. I'm gonna jump in the car to hit this car show. We're gonna get that content. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, make sure you share and let somebody else know about the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications in a minute. Alright everybody, I finally made it here. And it's like a huge turnout. Plenty of cars, plenty of people, plenty of good vibes out here, I'm telling you. It's one of them ones you definitely wouldn't have wanted to miss. But in any case, I'm going to go ahead and go through all the cars that they have down here. So let's check them out. I guess I'll come back to those. Yeah, it's a Jaguar. The interior around here, this might be super nice. I like the little two-door Jaguar coupes. These are some really nice cars. It's got some, it's hard to see on camera, but it got some red interior in there. Makes it really nice. Gonna be a lot of red. Look like somebody already burnt rubber. Like they started burning rubber there.
Okay, I can tell.
They kept going all the way up. Whatever it wasn't a posi because it's only one tire that was burning. Let's see if I can take this sport off. Yeah, there we go. Got BMWs out here. The thing I like about this place is it's a huge, nice variety of vehicles. Old BMWs, new ones. You got the super lifted trucks. So you like the lights on it? Yeah, that is nice. They spent a lot of money to get it to look that way. I'll tell you that. That's the beauty of a truck too. They can just park up on the grass. They don't have to find a parking spot. You got the Mustangs out here. They're not even discriminating. They got the Mustangs out here and the Camaros. But look at the crowd of people. Look how many people out here. There's a lot of people out here. Nice Vet. C7. It's a nice color on it. I used to want to get one of those next to the new ones came out.
This one looked like a racing car.
Yeah. Oh, look at the old school thing. Super nice. T-tops. Man, orange. Killing it with this Stingray too.
Yeah, it looks so cool.
Yes. Old school. Super nice. That's a Super right there. Super expensive car. Hopefully they not pulling off so we can catch it, get it in the video. It's another Corvette. Look at that. Look at that orange one again. This is nice. I really like this car. With the T-tops on it. Got Got another Corvette. Super nice. What kind of BMW this is, but it is nice. Oh, one more still on my left side. This is cool too. Yeah, this is nice. Look at wheels. These got to be some new ones. Both of them are really nice. Got the slick tires on it and everything. How loud it is, crazy. It's a real race car. My car might make it to that level one day. Spend some money on that. But these BMWs is nice, all three of them coupes. We got the Porsche out here. This is nice too. Got a nice color on it. Carrera.
So me and him, some motorbike, we all ended up
heavy
here. Riding.
It's another Porsche. It's nice. With the high wing on it. How big the calibers are. Sick. It's like so much going on out here, man. It's so much footage. I'll probably come to every car meet they have. Always like these arms. Another Beamer's more wide too. How wide this car is. 4-door. All of these BMWs are nice. Like sound like they have them all the time over there. Racing off, you know the police gonna be up here in a minute. All these cars want to stab out. Even the old school BMW still nice and clean. Simple. See this whole little lineup. All of these cars are really nice. It's gonna be hard getting all the cars on the video. I'm starting to hurt. The lights on what? Oh, this car, you like those lights? Oh, it's nice. I'm gonna go check it out. Look at this Audi. This R8? Man, this thing is super nice. Carbon fiber, yeah, this is nice. Motor in the rear. Let's go check this out. Hold up. Got the drilled and slotted rotors. It's a nice color too. This is one got the motor in the rear.
It's just a VA, right? You ordered all that when COVID started?
Super nice. Whole back end look like it's carbon fiber.
This is my dream car now. Dude, fuck it, it's 420.
I like this right here.
You know it's up. I'm stoning up in these
This is nice. Another 4-door BMW. I always liked these BMWs. This is nice. Big tires on it, tucked. AMG. It's like premium riding right here. It's a nice color blue. I almost want to get my Camaro this color blue, that dark, rich blue. But they got some stuff over here too. We're gonna try to get much footage as we can. I might have to chop this up into 2 videos. There's so much stuff out here. The Ram truck, got another Audi. Real nice condition. Mustang. It's like a Hellcat. Super nice. Oh man, look at this BMW. This is super nice. Look at the seats in there. They got the race seats. They got the carbon fiber side view mirrors. I don't know if y'all can see that. Dope. It's hard to see the seats, but they got the race seats in there. This is really nice. Another Corvette. C7s. Like a lot of people leaving. Another Porsche. So they ain't have all this last time I came. This Porsche is nice. They got a lot of Porsche Carreras out here. BMW M3 with the race seats. Let's see what all the action is over here. Everybody riding. It's like the money roll right here. Gotta say, look at all of those people everywhere. Everybody having a good time. Love this truck.
This is unique. I like it.
I like the color too.
The lights all in it. Race car. Oh man, this that Corvette that you like?
Yeah.
They got the Lambo doors on it. Let's check this out. It's the first one I've seen with Lamborghini doors on it.
I don't know how that's doing.
They got the red forges. Real nice with the Lambo doors on it. I like it. The carbon fiber side view mirrors. Black paint. This is really nice.
I built the whole. That was originally a Porsche.
Camaro, underglow lights on it. Look like they got the flow tire on it. And this is like a, this is ZL1. This don't have no supercharger on it, but it's nice. Put their own little touches on it. I see they got that bar like I got on there. It's another barrel. They got theirs kitted out. One right here. Big dog in the Camaro gang. Super nice color. The big slicks. The high wing in the back. Look at this, look at this wing. See, that's the ZL1. Carbon fiber wing in the back.
You just got
Yeah, he wrecked all these people. There's people everywhere. Like you got the Scat Packs and the Hellcats all over there.
This one got the Lambo.
Oh yeah, look at this. This Camaro got the Lambo doors on it. It's nice. First time seeing one with Lambo doors on it. In person. Real nice. Look at all these people everywhere. More Camaro. It's got the LT4 in it, supercharged. Hellcats over there yelling.
It's literally the one that was flying.
It's like a race car, Lexus. Oh, look at this.
I think we're all
They got the wide body control. Body tub.
I never seen like
Yeah, they look real nice. Got a nice paint on it too. Got the high wing spoiler. Voltec. This is nice. A lot of detail on this car. Super lot of detail. Watch what's going.
I like this.
Oh, you did? Audi is nice too, Audi truck. Volkswagen. Like a lot of people in love. So you paying attention to hitting up by names cars and then started driving crazy. Well, they're coming towards you and stuff. They're driving stupid. These Hellcats can't stop revving their cars. It's a track hole right here.
Oh shit, my bad.
Oh, no problem. This is nice. All white. Seems like most of them in white. Mustang. We got a Tesla out here. This might be the Tesla Plaid at that. Yeah, it's a Tesla. Like the Tesla Plaid. I said, it's a pretty good turnout out here. Really can't complain. Come on, let's go. It's a good crowd of people. Look at this. Is this a Gladiator? Jeep?
That's a Jeep? I ain't even know.
Man, this one's sitting up tall too. Look at that. This one say what? Texas Trail? Look out. Texas Trail. It's hard to get it with that light. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. It's nice. Somebody sit up tall. Look how big these tires is. Super monster tires on. Old school. You got that boy sounding good too. Yeah, this is super nice. Yeah, there's a female driver. It's another Jeep. Y'all can see me over there parked underneath the light, looking real good. Brought it out to the car show. This wasn't a rim car show or nothing like that. So that's why I went on and just brought me on out here. Super nice. Let's see what else is down here. Like they about to roll out. Get this last little bit of footage. We got Mercedes out here, the big Benz. Out here. Like a Young and Broke Car Club, Mustang. Nice. Nice color on here. They got over there back there. It's another Audi. They got so many Audis out here. It's ridiculous. Audis and BMWs, they come out.
Well, he's so mad.
Yeah. Probably got a rap. That's usually how a rap would look.
That's nice. That's
Come on, let's just cut through here. See what they got back over here. Might be the final pass. Got the final hood on here. Nice.
he's pulling up right here.
Slow.
All right, like a lot of people leaving. All right, y'all. Like a lot of people leaving, so I'm gonna go ahead and roll out too. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Try to get y'all as much footage as I could. I really wanted to see that Camaro with that Explorer on it. That mug was sick. I had a lot of questions for him about that because one day, maybe in a year, I'm gonna take my Camaro in a different direction. But we're gonna get these last couple cars pulling in, and I might make one more soft pass. Nah, I'm probably gonna roll up out of here. Get with y'all in a minute. Peace. Like the police that came clearing things out. Knew it was gonna happen with all them revving all their cars. Probably the neighbors complain it's a whole apartment complex right over there. Try to, you know what's coming next. They're gonna try to pull people over, trying to drive crazy, getting up out of here. I'm pretty sure it's only 2 police cars. They probably gonna call more. Oh, they about to catch now. Whoever doing that. See, I got that glow tile on that Camaro over there. That's what I want on mine. I was lit up in the front, the little bow tie. That's sweet.
That is cool.
Yeah, we knew it was coming. That's a Porsche. The tall wing, look nice. They don't even care about the police. They gonna read their motor anyway. Oh, the police came over here, the Smoothie King. Something must happen over here. It's like, dang, did they hit their car? Oh, the police got him. Police got him. Roll the window down. Pulled him over. Alright, it's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Tomorrow I'm gonna have another video. I got a car show that I will be attending, God willing. And supposed to be it's a lit car show. It's like one of the first car shows I went to. Cars and Carbon car show. They be having some pretty good turnouts in the Dallas DFW area, and I like it because they have a variety of cars. Last time I was the only car out there with rims on it, but I'm not gonna have rims on it now. I don't even think I'm gonna drive the Rover. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Camaro, and we're gonna bring some lit content from that car show and see what they got out there and see what they bring, especially since the weather's still supposed to be nice even tomorrow, right? So hope you enjoyed this video because it's at the end of it. Like I always say, check the channel out, let everybody know about it. I'm gonna do the outfit, as I'll do at the end of my videos. You can see I got a throwback on because it's been a minute since I even wore this shirt, but I wanted to wear something thin instead of my normal thicker polo since it's like 80 degrees outside today. It's beautiful. But this is just a basic True Religion shirt and some khaki shorts, and I put on my slides today. Now I put on my slides today because I'm probably gonna go get my feet done. It's about that time, yeah. Leaving skin everywhere, it ain't a good sign, fellas. Go take care of yourself. Get your feet done at least once a month. In a minute. Peace.